Look at what my husband bought. This is hilarious. And this is a silicone soda cover. How cool is this? It's also reusable, easy to wash, and hides whatever you are drinking. Perfect way to prank friends and family too. And it just slips right on. Look how easy it is to put this over, and ta-da! There you go. Look how fun that is, and it really makes it look so realistic. Let me show you a close-up. And here's a close-up of what it looks like. So realistic looking. This is too hilarious. And this is what it looks like from the bottom. And this is what it looks like from the top. How cool is this? You know, this would be such a funny prank to play on one of your friends. You can put sparkling water inside it and then pretend that it's a soda. How funny is that? Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!